Now let us discuss one more question. See the beauty of question. X to power 1 by 2 upon 1 plus x to power 3 by 2. If you observe this statement, it is not possible to judge whether the derivative of function is here or not. In this question, let us try, just like as in a hit and trial method, let us want to try how can we find out its solution. But I observe one thing, its power is 1 by 2, this power is 3 by 4, and we know whenever we take the derivative, the powers get reduced. Due to that, I go for substitution with 1 plus x to power 3 by 4 is equals to t, or x to power 3 by 4 is equals to t minus 1, or x is equals to t minus 1 to power 4 by 3. You know very well, whenever powers are transferred to the other side, they always reciprocal themselves. So 3 by 4 is converted into 4 by 3. Now its derivative dx, it is 4 by 3 t minus 1 to power 1 by 3. Its derivative, you know very well, reduced by 1 power into dt. Now substitute the value very carefully. See here, it is x to power 1 by 2. What is x? T minus 1 to power 4 by 3. T minus 1 to power 4 by 3 along with the power 1 by 2 into dx. dx is equals to 4 by 3 t minus 1 to power 1 by 3 into dt upon 1 plus x to power 3 by 4, that is equals to t. You know very well, according to the law of exponentiation, whenever the two terms contain power in the form of product, then these two powers are in the form of multiplication. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 makes the result 2 by 3. It is t minus 1 to power 1 by 3 as it is. This 4 by 3 is a constant lying outside. This is t. If you observe these two, t minus 1 and t minus 1, these are the same base. When base are same and they are in the form of product, then this power must be added. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 makes the result 3 by 3, that is equals to 1. So only t minus 1 is left and it is t. First rule of integration, check the power of statement t minus 1 upon t. If numerator power is equals to denominator or numerator power is greater than denominator, in that case we go for division. But if there is only one term in denominator, in that case we can divide it separately. So t upon t minus 1 upon t. T get cancelled, only 1 is left. Integration of 1, that is equals to t, because we find the integration with respect to dt. Integration of 1 by t, that is log of t. Now substitute the value of t here and t here. You will get the solution. This is very good and important question for the understanding, because derivative is not observed by us directly, but we will find out the solution by doing some adjustment or by thinking.